I'm Sheri Levin. I'm a docent at the Jewish Museum, Milwaukee, and I have a dreidel collection. These are some of my dreidels that I have collected for over the past 20 years. At this time, I probably have close to 140 dreidels, and when I first started, they were on a shelf in my living room, and then we had to get an etagere because I just had too many. This dreidel we bought in Jerusalem, and I actually have several dreidels by this particular artist, and each of them is a little bit different, and I thought this was kind of special. This dreidel was a gift to me, and this dreidel we bought in Jerusalem. This one I bought at a synagogue in Chicago, and this dreidel was also a gift. So I have bought many of the dreidels and many in Israel, and I've received many as gifts. I have a very dear friend who, when she goes to Israel, comes back with many dreidels and saves them to give them to me as a gift for a special occasion. So that's how I've accumulated so many. I started my collection at a museum on a Milwaukee Jewish Federation Women's Division trip. And I wanted to bring home a memento. I had no idea I was going to collect dreidels. And so I bought a dreidel as a memento. And then I was at another Jewish museum, and I bought another dreidel. And I thought, what a wonderful collection. And I started collecting them, and people started giving them to me as gifts. And what I really liked about the collection is that some of the dreidels are very inexpensive, and some of them are more expensive. So it's the kind of collection that I knew that I could have and would be able to continue, and it would be one that people could give me as gifts, such as my children, because they didn't have to spend a real lot of money. And it's been very special, and so it was sort of by accident I started, but I do it because it's Jewish.